So I want to introduce you to the walking test. This gives you a really great before and after snapshot of where your feet are not functioning properly. It's a test that we do to try to really regain all the movable parts of our foot. So if you take your foot, take it to the heel, and you roll to the outside edge of the heel. And right here where this notch is where the beginning of the fifth metatarsal is. That's the fifth bone in the foot. So we piece that down. Can I get that bone down in pieces all the way to the ball mount and all the way to the pinky toe? Then can I place my fourth toe, my third toe, my second toe, my first toe, and I bend my knee and I track straight over that foot as opposed to letting all the weight transfer and cross the midline here. What that does is puts a lot of weight into this big toe joint, causing a lot of the problems, aggravating bunions, causing a lot of rigidity. So again, let's just repeat this. We take it to the heel, we place the fifth metatarsal down to the ball joint, and then we take the fifth toe. Can I place the fourth toe down? Can I place the third toe, the second, the first? I bend my knee and I come off. I check the other foot. Same thing. Fifth toe line down to fifth toe, fourth toe, third toe, second toe, first toe. I bend that knee and I come and I walk off. So when you check this on yourself, you're going to find that there's many things that happen. One is that whole parts of the foot just flap down. Other parts are just like, you just get very unstable because you can't actually feel the different movable parts. Sometimes the heel is so stuck and curled under. Some people have such high arches that everything feels rigid and stuck. So this in itself is a great movement and exercise. So once you do the foot test, then you're going to hop on those wakers and you're going to get the feet moving and grooving, and then you retest again and you'll see how you have more fluidity in your feet.